Hi DIYers, I'm George from Alarm Grid. Today we're going to be going over whether or not you can use the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 without monitoring. The quick and easy answer to this is yes. You can use the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 without monitoring, but what does that actually get you? If you don't have the Qolsys IQ 2 monitored in any way whatsoever, even self-monitored at least, then there's no way that anyone that's off-site will be able to receive any kind of alerts or notifications, and they won't be able to control the system remotely from an app on their phone. So really, if you have an IQ2, if you have a Qolsys IQ2 and you're not using any level of monitoring service, then the system is essentially just going to be a local sound maker. Now, when you have an alarm system, the whole point of having an alarm system is to be alarmed or notified if a door is opened, if for any reason an area of the house is broken into. It's meant to notify you in case of emergencies. Now, if you're not having a system monitored, then there's no way, if you're away from the house, to get that notification. The only people, if you have a Qolsys IQ Panel 2 that is not monitored, the only way you know if an alarm is going off is if you're actually on site and you hear the siren in the panel going off. Other than that, if you're at work, if you're on vacation, if you're at a family get-together, if you're out and about and you're not at the house and you don't have the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 monitored, there is no way that you're going to get any level of services or any notifications at all. Now, like I was saying before, that is typically the whole point essentially of having an alarm system, so that you can get notifications. Now, if you guys are getting this system and you guys aren't looking for central station monitoring, we also offer self-monitoring plans that you can also sign up for. Now, the self-monitoring plans would allow you to use the alarm.com service, which is an app on your phone, and you can essentially arm and disarm the system from your cell phone. You can even set up email and text message notifications, so when an alarm is set off, you guys can get those notifications to your phones. We also offer central station plans, where if an alarm goes off, the signal is sent to the central station, and then they go through the list of the numbers to dial, and if nobody answered, then they dispatch the authorities, or if it is an actual emergency, they'll send out the correct authorities as well. Now, this not only goes for the IQ2, this really applies to any alarm system out there, or even any alarm system that Alarm Grid sells. Any system that we have, including the Qolsys IQ Panel 2, can be used without monitoring, but it's only going to work as a local sound maker. To receive any kind of remote notifications, emails, text messages, you do need to have some level of service, some level of monthly fees. And with us, we're no contract. Everything is just month to month. So if you guys ever want to try us out, if you guys want to see what the service is like, all you have to do is make sure you have a universal alarm system, so it cannot be proprietary, and you can sign up for any one of our plans. Obviously, you want to make sure you speak to one of our planners here at Alarm Grid so we can help you out with that. If you have any other questions about the IQ Panel 2 or about any other system that you may have or are looking at buying, feel free to send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com. If you found the video helpful, make sure you hit like underneath, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and hit that little bell icon underneath so whenever we upload new content, you guys get notified. I'm George, and I'll see you guys next time.